Gonna take off the old muffler and put on the new muffler. 2002 Tacoma. Got the muffler in here. $100 to your door. It's a good deal. And I found one of my dad's old clamps. Let's see, he had them in one of these drawers here. Well, I've lost track of it already. Here? Anyway, he had a bunch of clamps, and I cobbled together the necessary clamp. Oh, here are the clamps. I see some old school, made in the USA, heavy duty brands here. Tough grip clamp. They don't make them like that anymore. Okay. You got to get that off and then get them off the hangers, so it's gonna be fun. I saw some pit bulls running behind the car there, so I got my handy Glock in case I have to put them down, but I would never want to do that unless they had me by my leg or something. I wonder if I can film this. Film this like this or something. Can you see that? Oh, you can. Okay. So well, I assumed it was ½ inch, but I think that ship sailed. But I'm just gonna have to. Let's see, not even holding that. That's not even an issue. That's worth. Yeah, that's not an issue, is it? No, I didn't need any of that stuff, did I? Oh, nice. I think the hard part is going to getting this separated from this. Okay, fun. All right, tune in a moment. Try to get the hangers off. Okay, muffler, and now I have the pipe, which I'm going to clean right now. If I can get my mechanic creeper. That looks fine. Wrappings off of it. I'm concerned about... What am I concerned about? Oh, I'm concerned about that fitting on the thing I just cut off. I couldn't slide it off, obviously. Alright, I don't know if this is going to show up. Let's see. Just have to fit this up over the wheel. Not having lifted sucks. Taking the spare tire off. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. not gonna do it. Let's see the hangers hitting the hangers hitting the leaf spring. Tire. Well, I'm not taking that out. That is a no-no. Tire's out in the way. Pro tip, if you're doing this by yourself, set it up on the old muffler. Get leverage, use your feet, and pull, and it'll go through eventually. And you don't have to take this off. So there. Nanny nanny boo boo. Now, can we get it onto this cutoff? Stay tuned. I've gone to AutoZone 3 times, and they just don't have the right shit, so I'm gonna have to fabricate my own by welding this pipe that I cut, and we'll see how that works. Turns out it might be my dad's clamp after all. After going to AutoZone 5 times, it keeps climbing. I mean, look how expensive stuff is. $6 for a clamp. I mean, come on, seriously? All these clamps in here probably cost $6 in total. Just wrong. Things are wrong these days. I ain't gonna make my own shit because they don't have the right shit. Okay, I did 3 trips to AutoZone. They didn't have the right sleeve, so I just fabricated my own. And we got my dad's clamp from 1980s. And then this AutoZone clamp. Well, we'll see. We'll see what happens with that.